Kwesi Sibo. Ma for do na ye nyina da no ba ha wo hwe bo ana obo da obi oni Santi Gazola bobo de wo se obebo Blasters ye nyina ka 2 months ago pepepe e na oba ha sei ani ye hye ne bo se Blasters ndi obebo bi ti okọ no onko yire no and metuma ka kiro se endura na me sheda ye de hwe ne closely Mission closely and a true article. Media my hand any angel for now a publishing come. Closely to Kwesi Sibo shines but must polish on ball skills.
You was finding the old dome you.
I will crash our publish it. So with the stories there will be brave. I used to publish it. Ghana web so publish it. What I say? Kofi de mi hu ye ni Kwesi Sibo ya anka se ye nipa. Eti mame enkanche nsa na be ya players ni bi wo no mo ba ya o mbeje o mo shine no because won say ye hu bi say da wo baba Idrisu kai
yes
ye wie Charles ba o kai the first game ye wie eti me ka che Sibo say e ba ni CDM na ye hwehwe bi wo team ni ma e yo no Charles is not a CDM so for Elisha so nya dey enye CDM oh no. And you bet me I the append on with him no.
So for Elisha says.
Oh, think Elisha then can suffer no. And on so papa your suffer. Enya den ya papa your suffer be Sunday school teacher kakra.
Okay.
It is suffer Elisha money we mu no. You bet me pay omumu bi baako with Kwesi Sibo.
Elisha player ministry.
Because Sibo no. Oh yeah then ni defensive aye we no. Kofi me hwe ne scouting report and I was very impressed. Adia me hu ya mani anje. It will come back to hand him on scanning. Okay. He doesn't scan. Say pass neighbor. Say pass neighbor so osha. On scanning before or receive a pass. And that is the only trick for a midfielder so person you're comfortable on the ball and your control and your first touch and your scan. Because when you scan your environment, you'll be able to know say play away from me left na but you say me control ball no right. You make an what you say. Into improve on the scanning. So improve on the scanning now. Everything on the ball ebe very easy the idea.
Amano.
E di amano. Me retina 9.5.
Hey!
Over 10.
Where do you mean be that?
Kofi. Ango yanka me ameka o.
Nti wa man 9.5.
Mama no 9.5.
Kofi, the atiane say ye nua Kwesi Sibo. Enye ne ho na e
Ni din Sibo.
Sibo. Sibo brothers.
Sibo brothers.
Enye ne ho na e fe, ena enye pe na pen asem. But eye bibia no ye o viedu ho no. Ene ye hu se bebo national team ni ntin ye nyina ye show campaign ni. Enti enra, mesbaka say on any player or J fans power stadium.
I'm here ni dance am fairly. Ye ni a dance am.
Ye ni a dance crew da. E da na se. But Ghana for Yesuba nyina ni. Yesuba ti say aban ya omote akonya so. Omo ba na eto aba no mu boom. Omo ba betra so 1 2 3 no mu team den na film master ti din se hu. Ti be sere no. Onhu ni say o hwe esiem mo so. O hwe Antoniana mo so. Sa longevity no omo mpaye na nyame mwa no na onkoso nya bi mo oviedu na fe so injury free.
Okay.
Na on the onkoso nya adwumaden na because Kofi nipa bebre abo Black Star no ba me ne wuti hoyi ye wodi bi aya me hu om ba empedifo bi abo omudi ato ho enti yenso ne ye da so bo omudin ene yo
enu na me ka se bi chu bi say Black Star obo na obo ni ya we legend Prekupe.
Oh, Prekupe.
Aminu Dramani. And you go question work about.
I know.
What did you want?
I don't know the name. We are.
I don't know the name. Eh? Who ye the year?
On the year. Na bompa baby. I will bonus to the uti be butcher. Masa we legend straight. Because and then kwada u ka obia esien apia muntari. Omo ajimabadu so. Work up your kwajima Ghana you. Nti de bia unso no so odidi ho a.
Certainly, I mean, for Mali, they just really have to win this game. If they win this game, then things are almost in their own hands before their last two games against Chad and Madagascar. Just a little shoulder coming in. Sibo. Scruffy from Ghana. Mali now back in control. Advancing onto the edge of the area. Oh, 6 yellow shirts up here already though. Wonderful piece of play from Antoine Semenyo. Back short, and again a chance here for Ghana on the counter attack, but Yerenki couldn't find the pass. There, Ghana. Yerenki forced backwards, eventually finds the ball to Sibo. Not the best of layoffs there either. The feeling with Ghana, they're doing all the right things, it's maybe a little... Back inside to Kamara. And now being able to turn on the ball. Coming forwards here. It's a Mamadou Fofana. Now you're trying to play on the turn. Struggled to get in the game so far. A bit surprised that many didn't have a foul given against him there as Kudus now brings the ball up to the edge of the area. As Yerenki puts the ball across goal and sends it up to the back post. The keeper off his line does really well there to avert the danger. Now Mensah. Ghana, you feel, just starting. Yerenki. There's a slight miscontrol from Semenyo. Kudus eventually crowded out, but now well won by Sibo. In anticipated what? In this group, it's certainly, to an extent anyway, a welcome return to form for Ghana. Giving the ball, running into trouble just outside your own penalty area, not what the doctor ordered for the Black Stars. He has been a live wire in the opening 30 minutes here. Then the ball given away by Mali. Ayew plays a 1-2. Look for support. Ghana trying not to be too hasty here. Archie again, this time to Sibo. Sibo drives into the gap. Ayew with his back to goal. Now he can turn, but he's a good 35-40 metres out now. Picks out Party on this nearer side. Got a Jetty moving up from the defence. Hands as well. They're still flooding into the stadium, by the way. Filling up those stands behind each goal. Clipped over the top, headed out of danger. Sido too safe, perhaps. Good ball out though from Diarra. And a nice interception from Aliou Dieng, the Al Ahly midfielder. Amazing, I think he's still only 27, Aliou Dieng. Feels like he's been around forever. Beautifully taken out of the air. Yerenki back inside. Now a longer ball over the top, bit too much on it though, and that will go out for a goal kick. And 6.5 minutes to go before half time here, still 0-0. And to be honest, neither goalkeeper has really had a save of note. So many are unable to latch onto that one. Ayew does well to win the ball. Sibo dispossessed. Now Mali in behind. Kamori Doumbia claiming everything. did really well to win the ball. There's a challenge there. And he calmly rolls the ball out. Sibo will be a little bit wary of losing the ball again. Certainly this side of half-time. Quickly lays it off first touch instead of running it. I wouldn't say either side have done enough to deserve a goal, certainly to deserve a lead. Sibo almost dispossessed again, mind you, which paper will be well and truly lit. And the referee, after that foul from Kwesi.
Guys, I hope you guys already know who is here. My name is Kwesi Sibo, and today is my first session, and I really enjoyed. Hope to see you guys on Monday. I want you guys to say hello to Inaki. Es mi hermano de Frente Madre.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo estás?
Estoy bien, hermano.
First time.
Sí, es el primer día en entrenar. Sí, hermano. Estoy en casa, ¿sabes? I'm home.
Un to me cause how can you be Ghana for now support on with the
Ghana for me, I say, me born me David to me, I support me. Like I do appreciate. Now it's back to go and do the club work. I'll be back soon.
Gives it away. Inky. Forced backwards for the moment. Finds Party worrying about something as Kudus tries to start a run on the halfway line. Sibo Techi out there between the two sides. Footwork from Diarra.